This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Why optimize your website for search engine optimization? Well, it's simple. If you don't optimize your website, you're not going to be in the top list of results and your customers aren't going to find you. So if you don't optimize, everything will just go bad. So here, as you can see, I have typed scuba diving equipment. As you can see, these first few websites have optimized their websites really, really well. And let's just open one really quickly. So here we go. Here's one. They're using a lot of different keywords to make sure that they're appearing in the top of the search results organically. All of these ones, as you can see, are advertisements. But yeah, if they didn't do that, they'd be a lot further back, like they'd be on page 7 or even past that. And as you can see, not many people are likely to click on these websites even further down, so that they're not going to get as many sales on their products. So if you want to get more sales on your products and services, you have to optimize your website for search engine optimization, for Google, for Bing, for all these different platforms. Otherwise you won't get into the top page. And if you don't get into the top page, you're not likely to get any sales for your products or services or any visitors on your website. So yeah, it's simple. Just optimize your website and that is how you will appear on the first page. Take your time with it, make sure you do it correctly by following steps in this course, and it'll be fantastic and you'll be on the first page for your keywords. That's all you need to do really. Just concentrate and work hard and take your time and it'll be fine. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.